Leah, go over there. Go over there. And welcome to another iRacing adventure. This time it's Daytona, Wreckfest Daytona. This is a hard track that people like to wreck each other at because they can't hold the line. And if you can't hold your line here, you're probably not going to do well. The guys around you can't hold their line well, you're not going to do well. They're going to hit you. This track's so bumpy, a little hit and you're spun out 200 mile an hour. Get some good shots of the truck. That's just qualifying. I qualified third. As you can see, I changed the T-Mobile to black. The pink just couldn't see it, so that's the only thing I've changed.
Kind of. Sounds good, man. 10-lap races, you kind of got to go, you know. Kind of.
Yeah, I need to pick this one here.
I'm gonna try and take. Sounds good, man. 10-lap races, you kind of got to.
I thought I heard my name. Someone talking about me. Sorry, self-indulgent here.
I'm gonna try and take.
I didn't, so we'll fast forward to the start.
You gotta go.
The second one? That's all?
So we got a pretty good start.
I could have pressed the issue a little more. I didn't want to wreck that early. 3 was really chopping down on me.
They're wrecking.
They're wrecking behind us. No cautions on this series.
Oh, that just took a little.
back and see how that one happened real quick. I think it was a 3. He was driving like an a-hole the whole time anyways. So, looks like it. No, the 8. I take that back. The 8 just came up on him. He was there. He didn't do anything wrong.
Hold on. Back. Facing field.
So this is the 4.
I tried really hard to push the 011, but he just swerved so much. And he's a higher ranked driver than me, man. He could not hold his line.
As you can see, the 2 on the bottom hold their line much better.
Hey Mario, you got damage?
We can fast forward. It's just a lot of this.
Well, I'm catching you. You do.
A lot of this. I don't understand. The couple times I got on his bumper, we didn't really make any ground. I don't know if it's because we didn't do it early enough, but it's just tough to latch onto that guy. He's all over the place.
What do you think?
So I'll give you some real world view on this. Go back to the gyro. Really good camera. The gyro's a good view of the race. See, he goes high. I can't latch on.
We gotta do a rough ride to that.
On the straight. Nowhere to go.
Yeah, I can push you to the front in front of us if you want to work.
Did a really good job out of going down here together now. I thought, well, see if this guy can push me. I waited about here. You see, I'm holding a pretty consistent line for him, and he's just not pushing.
Beautiful pack.
Another fun shot. Yeah, I think it was
So that lap truck was teleporting. That's why I gave him plenty of room. Me and the 011 got by it just fine. Then we'll fast forward a little bit to here. Let's watch the rest of this from the bumper cam. I got a hell of a run because I had to let off with that lap car. 011 did a good job with blocking. He didn't do anything wrong. Last lap. This is why I get so mad when guys, you know, wreck in front of me, passing a lap car, impatient, and then take us both out. Because look, I caught right back up. It was better to lift just a little bit to survive, to race on, instead of wrecking everyone around us. Not too difficult. Just came up on me. I don't know if it's on purpose. He was pushy the whole race, so I'm not gonna say that he did it on purpose. Yeah, probably from his view, he thinks I took him out, but I didn't. He needs to watch it from my view. He did it all. Yeah. He thought he was going for the win, and I don't know why he came up. But we did finish third.
Woof.
Fun racing up front, guys. Thanks.
And that is a race at Daytona.